Hi everybody. Just wanted to give you an update on the cuttings. If you look at one of my previous videos, you'll see that I did some cuttings from my ever-bearing mulberry tree, and if you can see here, these are a few of the cuttings which uh, they take pretty well. I mean, I think at least even if you just cut a piece of it and put it on the ground, and you get like half of them that'll take, and then that's a great way to propagate. It's one of the easiest trees you can propagate through cuttings. So I have a few. I've pretty much left them unattended. You can see right here I have a couple of them. You can see right there, and then this one rooted pretty well, and it's even got little fruit on there already. So, and like I said, I pretty much neglected them pretty well. So um, you can see how tall it is, like 3 feet tall at least, maybe 3.5, something like that. And there you go. You plant this, you got another tree. The one behind it, I got a couple more on the other side. So it's one of the easiest things you can do, and basically for free you can have more trees. So just wanted to give you an update on how my cuttings were doing, and like I said, I haven't really done too much taking care of them at all. I mean, so they're pretty hardy. I guess maybe I'll plant, if I find a little spot, I'll plant one of those in the ground. Maybe give away the other ones, and that's how easy it is.